you never know when you can like change your mind. So if you have an idea and you don't
Engaging in argumentation helps students reach a deeper understanding of science concepts. Many of the ideas we teach in science are strange. For instance, the idea that day and night is caused by a spinning Earth rather than a moving sun. Believing in the scientific explanation requires an understanding of why the wrong idea is wrong as much as it does of why the right idea is right. Such conversations can be highly productive for student understanding and sense-making. Helping teachers develop the skills to facilitate productive learning conversations in science, however, is quite challenging. The Lawrence Hill of Science at UC Berkeley and Stanford's Graduate School of Education are designing, implementing, and studying the efficacy of an innovative model for science professional learning for elementary teachers. The Practicum-Based Academy model consists of 3 components: a summer institute, a summer teaching practicum, and academic year follow-up sessions. The intensive week-long Summer Institute helps teachers learn to facilitate scientific discourse and specifically argumentation from evidence. Following the Institute, teachers spend 2 weeks in a teaching practicum. They teach science, including opportunities for argumentation, for 2 hours each morning in a summer school program. Practicum teachers are immediately able to practice new instructional strategies in a highly supported and low-stakes environment, analyze videos of their teaching, reflect on their practice and receive feedback from colleagues and coaches, then adapt their instructional practices for the following day. The third component of the Academy is a series of follow-up sessions during the academic year, designed to provide support for teachers as they incorporate the new instructional practices into their classroom instruction. To test the efficacy of the Practicum-Based Academy model, the whole team delivered 2 versions of the program, the Full Academy and the Academy minus the Practicum. Over 3 years, Stanford researchers are comparing the practices of teachers and learning outcomes of their students who experience the 2 versions. Researchers are videotaping the 3 components of the Academy to track the practices and strategies that are introduced and that are taken up by teachers. They are then videotaping each teacher 3 times during the spring of each school year, before the Academy as a baseline and each spring for the next 3 years. Researchers focus on 6 dimensions of high-quality discussion, 3 teacher dimensions and 3 student dimensions. The ratings of argumentation practices for teachers and students in both groups significantly improved from baseline to spring of the first year of the project. Students of teachers who participated in the practicum improved their ability to engage in argumentation more than the students of teachers who did not. We will use the information we have learned from the experience so far to produce a revised version of the practicum model in the final year.